Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today we're working on this very beautiful look using that What a Beaut Pretty Glam palette from the Dollar General. $5, ladies. This is a great little palette. It would make a great Christmas gift for someone who loves makeup, or ask for it yourself. $5. This palette is a steal. I'm not even kidding. So I wanted to work on this look, and it is just perfect for winter in my opinion. I love how this came out. The look is so beautiful and stunning, and the lip really wraps it up together. So to get started, we always prime our eyelids with the Milnai eyeshadow primer, and we're going to be taking that What a Beaut Pretty Glam palette. First row, third shade. It is a cool toned, kind of skin toned brown, basically. It's almost like just a shade darker than my own skin tone, so I'm just going to hastily place that in the crease with a fluffy crease brush or a fluffy blending brush, and really just buff that in. Basically, it's just for shadow placement and blending purposes. You really won't see much of this shade. It is very close to my skin tone, like I said. Cool. Next up, I'm taking a dense pencil brush, and we're going to pick up that Burgundy plum shade again. Once again, in the palette, it looks like a dark brown, but this applies like a plum burgundy shade. It takes some building up. It is very powdery. That's why I keep showing you that I'm tapping off the brush, and you definitely want to do this. See, some of these shades are very powdery. Some of them are super pigmented, super metallic. I mean, I was really impressed with this palette. Like, I can't say it enough. So beautiful. So that's going in the outer corner and a little bit into the crease, not entirely to the inner corner. We're going to do some blending out of the edges, and I am happy with where that is right now. So we're going to take the Maybelline color Tattoo in Toughest Taupe. I'm going to get a little bit of that on my finger, and we're going to apply that to the lid as a secondary base. This is going to give our eyeshadow something to stick to, something to adhere to, make it more potent and really loud on the lid, basically. But mainly it's going to have something to stick to. So this shade is from the last row, last eyeshadow, and it is like a taupe kind of shade. And it's kind of, in the pan, it looks kind of gray with a shift to it. It applies like a taupe to the lid. And this shade is absolutely stunning in this palette. I am in love with it. It's one of my favorite shades from the palette, and I had to use it. So this look is literally centered around that shade. And I'm just applying that on top of that secondary base, and really it didn't need anything to stick to. That's just what I felt like doing on this day. But this shade is actually really pigmented, and there is fallout with this one as well. So I'm just applying that to the lid. We're going to drag some of it into the crease, and we're going to apply some more of the plum burgundy kind of shade. Start deepening up the outer corner and our crease line, and we're going to blend down the crease line as we go. First row, first shade is a vanilla brow bone highlight. We're going to use that on our brow bone to highlight with, and just bring that down to the crease area, and we're going to blend that out. Oh, right here I am showing you the fallout. So it's not like incredibly bad. It wipes away easily without ruining your makeup. So that's that. I was trying to show you the fallout in the pans here, so that's what I was doing there. But first row, second shade, a very shimmery light shade, like a white shimmery shade, if I can get it out. And we're popping that in the inner corner with a pencil brush, and just bring some light there. So this is a Believe Beauty liquid, metallic liquid eyeliner. These are not metallic, you guys. I have 3 of the shades in the line. These are not metallic, but it's just a plum liquid eyeliner. The name of it will be in the description box in the product list. This is the Jordana 12-hour pencil to tightline the waterline. And for the lower lash line, we're using this Believe Beauty long-lasting eyeliner in Queen Mauve. And today I decided to take my Loreal Burgundy mascara. Yes, Burgundy mascara. Absolutely beautiful. And if you'll notice, like, my green eyes are really standing out today. That's because all the shades I'm using are complementary to green eyes, so they're really going to pop. And the lip I'm using is from Maybelline. It's a matte ink and it is called Dreamer. How beautiful is the shade? The only thing I can say about these is they last a really long time, and for me they're not difficult to remove. Some people say that they are, and I don't doubt that, but the smell, I don't like the smell of these, but I love how this look came out. That was the Hard Candy Longwear setting spray, and that's our look. You guys, I love how this turned out. I think this is very beautiful, grungy, wintry, sultry kind of look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Hope you will check out that What a Beaut Pretty Glam palette for yourselves at the Dollar General. I thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as a full product list and what is on my nails. All that information will be linked and put in the description box below. And I thank you guys again so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful, and will definitely try the look out for yourselves.